Good morning, students. Today, start with a new chapter in human physiology, sixth chapter, neural control and coordination system. We already discussed in the last chapter, that is locomotions and movement. In this chapter, the sixth chapter, it is a human physiology chapter. It is a very interesting chapter. It is very important chapter in our life. That is a neural control and coordination system. What is the chapter? Neural control and coordination system. In this chapter, the first one, we will discussing about, in this chapter we have to learn introductions of this neural control and coordination system, and also the structure of the neuron. The next important one, the central nervous system. The central nervous system means brain, spinal cord, and also the peripheral nervous system, efferent neurons, types of neurons, and synapse, electrical synapse, and also chemical synapse, and also nerve impulse. And also we will discussing about the other sensory organs like eye, ear, and also nose, tongue, the different mechanisms of the eye mechanism, and also ear mechanism. We will discussing in this chapter, and also reflective and reflex arc also. Today we are going to start with the new chapter. It is known as in the human physiology, sixth chapter. What is the sixth chapter? Neural control and coordination system. What is the sixth chapter? Neural control and coordination system. The neural control and, what is the sixth chapter? The neural control and neural control, neural control and coordination system. Neural control and coordination system. Coordinate system. The neural control and coordination system. The neural control and the coordination system. What is the sixth chapter in the human physiology? In the human physiology sixth chapter, neural control and coordination system. The neural control and coordination system. The neural control and coordination system. What is the meaning of the neural control and coordination system? The first one, introduction. The introduction of this neural control and the coordination system. Introduction. The introduction of the neural control and coordination system. The coordination system. The organs and organ systems. Organ and organ systems must be coordinated. They must be coordinated and maintain homeostasis. What is the first one? What is the first one? The organs and organ systems. The organs and organ systems. Organ and organ systems must be organ and organ system functioning. Organs and organ systems functioning. Functions of the organ and organ systems functions must be coordinated. coordinated, coordinated and maintain homeostasis, homeostasis, to maintain the homeostasis. The organs and organ system functions must be coordinated and maintain homeostasis. What is the meaning of the coordination? 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 The coordination means it is a process through which it is a process through which it is a process through which two or more organs interact and functioning interact and functioning one another, interact and function each other, functioning one another. One organ or other organs interact each other or function each other to control each other, to regulate each other. It is known as a coordination. It is a process through which two or more organs interact and functioning one another. Interact one another. It is known as a coordination. I will give the best example for the coordination. I will give the best example for the coordination. What is it? After the understanding the example, you can easily understanding these two definitions. You can easily understand these two definitions. What is the best example for the coordination? Once we are doing any physical exercise. Once we are doing any physical exercise. Once we are doing the physical exercise. Once you are doing the physical exercise. During the physical exercise, at the time of the physical exercise, the energy, what is the first condition? During the physical exercise, you are doing the physical exercise, fast walk, fast running, or vigorous exercise, or physical exercise. During the physical exercise, at the time of the physical exercise, what is the first condition? The energy requirement is more. Increasing the energy requirement. The energy is increase energy requirement. Energy requirement is more. Increase energy requirement. Whenever the energy requirement is more, the muscular activities also increases. Increase muscular activity. Increase muscular activities. Whenever the muscular activities increases, the breathing rate also increases. Increase respiration rate. Increase respiration activities. increase respiration activities. Whenever the respiration rate is increases, the heartbeat also increases. The heart rate also increases. Increase heart rate. Increase heart rate. Increase heart rate. Whenever the heart rate is increases, the pumping of the blood via through the blood vessels also increases. Via the pumping of the blood, pumping of the blood via blood vessel via blood vessel increases. During the physical exercise, what is the first condition? The more energy is requirement. Whenever the more energy, the muscular activities also increases. And also muscular activity means the breathing rate also increases. Whenever the breathing rate is increases, the respiration rate also increases. Whenever the respiration rate is increases, heart rate also increases. Whenever the heart rate is increases, the pumping of the blood also increases. This physical exercise, during the physical exercise, what is the systems are involved? The nervous systems, the neurons are involved, and also the next systems are involved. Muscles are involved. The next one, it is involved. Lungs are involved, and also involved to the heart also involved, kidney also involved, other organs also, and show other organs. So other organs, functions, the functions involve. Other organs, functions involve. Functioning the other organs, functioning coordination, functioning each other, functioning each other, coordinate manner. Once the physical exercise is stopped, the demanding of the energy also decreases, and also the muscular activities are decreases, and also the respiratory rate also decreases, the heart rate also decreases, the pumping of the blood vessels also decreases. This all activities means, the coordination means, it is a process through which two or more organs means nervous, muscles, lungs, heart, kidney, other organs interact and functioning one another. It is known as a coordination. The organs and organ system. Organs means here muscles are organs, lungs, heart, kidneys. These all are nervous and neurons. These all are the organs. Organ systems means here organs means it is nothing but muscle. It is a one organ. Muscle, it is a muscle organs, kidney, lungs, heart, kidney, lungs, heart. These all are the organs. Organ system means digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, and coordinate. This excretory system means respiratory system, respiratory system. What is the organ systems? Function must be coordinated, interact each other. Coordination means interact each other. Coordination means interact each other, one another. Two or more organs are interact. Two muscles, kidney, lungs, heart. It is a process through which two or more organs interact, functioning one another, functioning coordinated to maintain the balance. To maintain the homeostasis means balance. Homeostasis means balance of the functioning. One organ's respiratory system, the respiratory system, and also circulatory system and circulatory system, circulatory system, circulatory system, and also excretory system, excretory system, and also nervous system, and also nervous system, nervous system. The neural control and coordination mechanism. The first one, interaction. What is the meaning of interaction? The organs and organ systems. Organs means muscles, kidney, lungs, heart. These are the organs, and organ systems: digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory system, locomotion system, muscular system, the neural systems. These are functioning must be coordinate. Coordinate means interact each other, and interact and functioning one another, It is a process through which two or more organs interact and functioning one another. For example, once you are doing any physical exercise, more energy is demanded. Whenever the more energy is required, the muscular activity is also more. Whenever the muscular activities are more, the respiration, breathing rate also increases. Whenever the breathing rate is increases, heart rate also increases. Whenever the heart rate is increases, the blood flows via the blood vessels also increases. Once the muscular activity stop, whenever the muscular activities stop, these all activities reaches into the original position, original position. In our body, the animal body, they're doing the different physiological activities: digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, and also the other systems, the circulatory systems, excretory systems, and locomotion system, that is muscular systems, neural systems. This all activity, and also endocrine systems, the different physiological activities takes place. The functioning of the physiological activity, to regulate the physiological activity, to control the physiological activity with the help of the neural system and endocrine system. What is the function of this neural system? What is the function of this neural systems? 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 What is the function of this neural systems in our body? What is the function of these neural systems in our body? What is the function of these neural systems? In our body, what is the function of interaction only is the third point. Already that is the first one. Organs and organ systems interact to maintain the coordination and also to maintain the homeostasis mechanism. What is the meaning of coordination? One or two more organs interact and functioning each other. It is known as the best example for the coordination: physical exercise. After the introduction in our body system, in our body, two types of the control and coordination systems. In our body, the control and coordination system. In our body, the physiological activities. In our body, physiological activities control and regulation, control and regulation mechanisms in our body. Physiological activities and control and regulation mechanisms controlled by the regulation mechanisms controlled by the two systems, 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 controlled by the two systems. What is the first system? Controlled by the first system, neural system. Neural system. What is the first control system? Neural system. The neural system means it is composed of the specialized cells, neurons, brain, spinal cord. These all neural systems are to control, coordinate one and other organs, to control to the all organs, to activate, to control the all activities. The neural system. The second system, it is known as the endocrine system. What is the system? Endocrine system. These two systems are participated into the control and coordination mechanism. Control and coordination mechanism. These two systems are, they are participated into the control and coordination systems. Coordination system. The control and coordination system. The both systems, neural systems and endocrine system. Endocrine system means chemicals. Chemicals means hormones. The hormones. Endocrine means endocrine glands. This endocrine means endocrine system. Endocrine system means the chemicals, endocrine glands. Okay, in this chapter, that is the endocrine system, that is the chemical control and coordination system. After complete this chapter, we will discuss this endocrine system. How this control the neural system and endocrine system control and coordination and regulation of the physiological activities. This control. The neural system is controlled by the digestive process. The neural system is controlled by the neural system is controlled by the point-to-point contact. The point-to-point contact coordination. It is the point-to-point contact. The coordination. The point-to-point contact. The entire body. The point-to-point contact is a neural control mechanism. And also endocrine system means it is a chemical control, the integration of the chemicals. These hormones are helpful for the physiological activities. The neural system, it is controlled by the neural system is controlled by the digestion process. The digestion, the neural system, it is controlled by the neurons. It is controlled by the digestion process. Whether the digestive process increase or decrease, whether the digestive juices are increase or decrease, to control, to regulate the mechanisms. And also respiration activities, the breathing and respiration, activities, and also the circulation activities. Increasing the heartbeat, decreasing the heartbeat, increasing the respiration, decreasing the respiration, increasing the digestion, decreasing the digestion. And also it is controlled by the excretory systems. It is also excretion functions, also increasing the water reabsorption, decreasing the water reabsorption, eliminations of the water reabsorption. That is the regulatory mechanisms, the respiratory mechanisms, the digestive mechanisms, and also the muscular mechanisms, the muscular activities, these muscular activities, digestion, respiration, circulation, excretion, muscular activities, and also this all neural activities is controlled by the neural system. And also endocrine system also controlled by the digestive functions, respiratory functions, circulatory functions, excretion functions, muscular activities. It is a fast response, it is a fast activity, it is a slow response activity. It is a fast response, it is a slow response. The neural systems and endocrine system both are coordinated manner, both are interact with each other, both are interact. So for example, we will take the one example for the how the neural systems and endocrine systems are activated. And the best example, the neural system, it is a digestive process. The digestive juices, secretion the gastric juices, secretion the intestinal juices, secretion the bile secretion. These all are the control of the neural system. And also local hormones, the gastrin hormones, it's hormones, the different types of hormones, it is responsible for the endocrine system. Both are working each other, both are coordinate manner working each other. In our body, the physiological activities like digestion, respiration, circulation, excretion, neural muscular activities is controlled by the neural systems as well as endocrine system. Coordination means both are interact each other. In our body system. Both systems are in the coordination manner acting they will control the physiological activities. To control the physiological activities. For example, heartbeat is increases. For example, sympathetic nervous system. That is a parasympathetic nervous system. The parasympathetic nervous system, sympathetic nervous system increase the heartbeat. Parasympathetic nervous system decrease the heartbeat. Decrease the heartbeat. It is the best example for you are understanding the coordination system. How the sympathetic nervous system increase the heartbeat, the parasympathetic nervous system decrease the heartbeat to control, to regulate the mechanism, to balance the homeostasis mechanism with the help of neural control and coordination system. The neural control and coordination system. Coming to the animal kingdom. We are the animals kingdom. Coming to the according to the evolution. According to the evolution. This is only introduction only. According to the evolution. Evolution means it is the origin of life. It is the origin of life. The different after the origin of life, after the formation of the earth, the different animals are originated. The animals are classified into the animal kingdom. The animals are classified into the animal kingdom. According to the animal kingdoms are classified into invertebrates. What do you know? Invertebrates. What is the second one? Vertebrates. What do you know? Vertebrates. If you observe the invertebrates, first one sponges. The first one sponges. The neural system, the neurons, these all coding systems are absent. The neural system is the neurons system and neurons are absent. Neurons are absent in the invertebrates. If you observe the second category of the animals, the first one invertebrates, second one vertebrates. If you observe the sponges, the first category of the phylum, which is sponges, the neural system and neurons are absent. Coming to the second invertebrate of phylum, it is nothing but Cnidarians. What is the next one? Cnidarians. The best example for the Cnidarians, Hydra. The first nervous system is originated. The starting of the nervous system is originated. Cnidarians. Hydra. The Hydra is consists of diffused nervous system. Diffused nervous system are diffused neurons. The Cnidarians is consist of diffused neurons. If you observe the Hydra, diffused neurons are present. Diffused neurons are present. The diffused neurons are present. after the first nervous system, the first neurons originated Nidarians. The nervous system is originated Nidarians. After the Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes. What is the third category? Platyhelminthes. The nervous system is originated. The second category, third one, it is nothing but third one, Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes. The Platyhelminthes is a ladder type of nervous system. What is the nervous system? Ladder type of the nervous system. Ladder type of the nervous system. The nervous system, if you observe the ladder type of the nervous system. What is the system? Ladder type of the nervous system. What is the nervous system? Ladder type of the nervous system. Ladder type of the nervous system. Ladder type of the nervous system. The ladder type of the nervous system. Neurons. It is two nerve cords. It is present in the ventral side. Two nerve cords present in the ventral side. Both are connection with the help of ganglia, with the help of neurons. It is the ladder type of neurons, ladder type of the nervous system. And also the next one, it is present in the after the Platyhelminthes, Nematohelminthes, Arthropoda, Annelida, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata. It is also consists of the simple type of the nervous system. What is the name? Simple type of the nervous system. The simple type of the nervous system. Simple type of the nervous system present in the invertebrates. Simple type of the nervous system present in the invertebrates. Vertebrates. Vertebrates. It is a complex type of the nervous system. Complex type of the nervous system. It is a complex type of the nervous system. The simple type of the nervous system is present in the invertebrates, but the complex, based on the body, based on the complexity, based on the physiological activities. It is the invertebrate means the physiological activities are less. Physiological activities are very less. The systems also, the neural systems and endocrine systems also it is exist in the simple manner. In the case of vertebrate fishes, amphibians, reptiles, aves, mammals, including human beings, the physiological activities are more. The complexity body also more. Whenever the physiological activities are more, the complex type of the nervous system is exist in the human beings. The complex type of the nervous system is exist in the human beings. Okay, this one, for example, sponges, Nidarians, Platyhelminthes, we will discuss at the time of the animal kingdom. We are discussing the brief discussion of the what is the systems. It is systems exists in the animal kingdom. We are discussing in the brief manner at the time of the animal kingdom. It is vertebrate consists of complex nervous system. In this chapter, we are going to discussing about the human neural system. In this chapter, we are discussing about the human neural system. The human neural system means the nervous tissue. It is composed of the specialized cells. It is known as neurons, and also central nervous system, peripheral nervous systems. The human neural system is peripheral nervous systems. What is how these neural systems are working? The brain, spinal cord, reflex arc. These all systems are in this chapter we are discussing in this chapter.